Are you having problems with localized multimedia orchestration not locating the Vlive module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Avoid long manual edits for Vlive module by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Vlive module, frequently associated with localized video streaming desktop clients, like the defunct Vlive PC app. It manages the secure video decryption and localized stream buffers. Missing versions result in login failure or a codec initialization error when attempting to view live streamed content. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. If you see a Vlive module DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the localized multimedia orchestration subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Vlive module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for Vlive module DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Vlive module dependencies. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Vlive module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support